Goodbye! On my face, I have Freeman's Feeling Beautiful, Rejuvenating Cucumber Pink Salt Mask. This shit's like fucking $2 at Walmart, and you know, for salty mud, I think it's pretty a-okay. I would recommend. We're gonna wash this off my face and slap some makeup on it, so stay tuned. Yes, now that we have washed it off of our face, we can commence the makeup putting on. You know, I keep on trying to figure out what this like makeup tutorial is gonna like be about. I haven't decided. I really wanted to go thrifting, but I keep being too afraid to leave my house. So I had to put a pause on that one. Also, there's a mirror right there, so forgive me. I'm putting on NYX primer right now. This shit is super shimmery, but it is also like it doesn't work. I don't think it's a good primer. It kind of makes you feel sweaty on your lids, and nobody wants fucking sweaty lids. I don't wear face makeup. I realized that it just made my skin break out really bad, and I was like, I didn't like how it looked anyway. Like, I hated the lack of dimension that it gave me. This is a liquid cheek stain, and I would recommend anybody uses one of these bastards to be fucking careful, mate. 1 second, I need to find a towel. Immediately! You got to make sure that you go in with a heavy hand and you go in quick. You want to have a little bit of hand warmth, wet. That shit will really help you blend this shit, okay? This cheek stain is Blush Balm Color Drops for Cheeks from Flower. I got it from Ulta for, again, like $2.50. This cheek stain is fucking potent as a fucking bitch, as you did see. I have, hopefully blended it better. This brow gel is also $1 or like $2, $3. I could link it if you really want, but maybe I'll do that later. I don't even know if they still sell this shit. For all I know, this is animal semen, and it got banned. I don't know. This is Essence Lash and Brow. Please forgive me, Essence Lash and Brow, for saying that you were semen. Animal. Let's just cut that out. I used to always use the Benefit Brow Gel. I have since kind of realized that it really isn't any better than any of the other ones. My brows do not look the same. Well, they don't need to. I'm a wild brow type of bitch. I don't know about y'all, but I always just like sort of abuse my brows with the gel, and then they move around anyway. They don't stay. What's next? Oh my gosh, should we put on some highlight? I love highlight. Everybody's like, oh, I've grown out of the blinding white highlight. I haven't. I have not. I'm putting on my first highlighter, which is Rocket Science Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop. I was literally addicted to these for years, and I still kind of am, but I also use Highlight Fairies by Lime Crime sometimes, but honestly, recently I haven't even been using highlight because the mask's completely pointless. Speaking of which, COVID. The only reason why I'm putting on makeup today is because I'm going to buy a dresser, and that's literally the most eventful thing I've done. Boop, bop, beep, beep. Oh my god, am I a robot? Someone start a conspiracy for me. Please? I'm just kidding, don't get my name out of your fucking mouth. Should we put on eyeliner? Okay, I've done the upper waterline on each, and I'm gonna go ahead and follow my lash line down a little bit and do a curve, I think. I'm gonna try to do a curve. Okay, so I also added it sloppy on top because I want to do something fun. I'm fucking bored. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror. Okay, now we're gonna start in with the first series of blending. I don't know what the fuck is on my brush, but. So I'm just gonna fucking scrub my fucking eye, mate. The top, I'm not gonna care about. The bottom. Okay, I've since drawn these little triangles with NYX black and then blended them out with this little Eco Techniques brush. What do I think about it? I have no fucking idea, but I'm gonna slap some fucking eyeshadow on top of it. Oh, and then I just kind of abused the top of my eyelids with my fingers. So I'm taking my very old Urban Decay Naked palette. I'm taking Black Market and I'm gonna put it on top of the main black parts. Okay, so we got this now. Jeez. I'm gonna go ahead and just slap this shit in my wet line again. On my water line. That's a little bit better. Let's go for some top lid action, eh? Grab the big brush. And I'm gonna go in with Combust. Boy. Don't look at how gross my palette is. Fuck off. Oh yeah, look at it mattifying my eyes. Do I normally do this? Honestly, normally I just slap purple eyeshadow and wrap black eyeliner around my eyes. That's typically what I do. But today's special day because I'm gonna buy a dresser. Today's special day. I'm gonna go ahead and take Whiskey, which is that brown color, and I'm putting it around my inner corner. We're gonna just leave it. Okay. Was that a mistake? Maybe. Yeah. Let's go with Smolder because I have brown eyes. Smolder. Boop. Oh, oops. Yeah, definitely came out that time. So I'm gonna just do these shapes and then I'm gonna blend them out. Don't worry about me. I got it, lassie. Maybe I don't got it. Okay. Is that blended? I don't know. Kind of like butterflies. Not really though. Now it's blended. Yeah, I like that more. I'm gonna go in with Moonlight. Yes. It's in my eye. Do I look scary? Okay, don't answer that. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shit. Lip liner. NYX's matte lip crayon in Club Hopper. I have been addicted to this lip liner so hardcore. It's really, really good. And then up here, I'm gonna connect my cupids out. Now time to rub it in. The lipstick will cover all of our sins. Okay, so that's a lip liner. As you can see, very sloppy because I don't give a fuck. If you thought you were coming here for a very nice, clean tutorial, you're very wrong. It's barely a tutorial. I think that's very nice. Okay. It might have been a train wreck just 3 seconds ago, but what about now? She's a pouty princess. Bitch! Okay. Let's curl my lashes with my shit fucking eyelash curler. Yeah, it makes me cry too. It's a torture device. They're tickling my eye. Now I'm using this classic mascara because it is the only mascara I could find. We got one lash of Great Lash. Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. I've done my best. I also forgot that I was gonna run another color underneath this. So we're just gonna quickly do that as well. It's just a simple gray. Is this one like way further than that one? Most fucking definitely. What the fuck? That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Okay, well, we look like a supervillain. What provoked this? I hope you gained some sort of insight from this, if any was possible. Cut all of that, I don't like any of it. I was just talking some bullshit, it don't matter, sweetie.